Welcome to another trending yet healthy and easy recipe video of Kitchen Revelations. Today we are making protein-packed and healthy burger buns. There is no maida, atta, suji, yeast or sugar. It is gluten-free and dairy-free. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. Here I've taken 1 cup, that is 250 grams of masoor dal or red lentil. Wash the lentils thoroughly and soak them for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then strain all the excess water. Lentil bread boasts several health benefits, including being high in protein and fiber, low on glycemic index, a good source of iron, potassium, and other essential nutrients, making it a great choice for those seeking a healthier bread alternative. Now, to the soaked lentil, we are adding 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk or isabgol, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and to activate the baking soda, we'll be adding juice of half of lemon. Isabgol or psyllium husk used in this recipe is a very good source of fiber, probiotics and minerals which improves gut, colon and heart health. Now grind all these ingredients together in a blender jar. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedbacks in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting and healthy recipes. So as you can see, we have ground it into a thick paste. Now grease your palms with some oil and gently roll them into bun shape. Coat them with some sesame seeds or any seeds of your choice, which is completely optional. With this recipe, you can make bread, burgers, bread rolls and bagels. I've made around 9 burger buns. Place this baking tray into the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. After taking out from the oven, brush some butter on top of the buns for a glaze. Cover with a damp cloth so that they remain moist and allow the buns to rest for at least half an hour. After about half an hour, you can see that they have turned out to be super soft and spongy. Now we'll cut them and see. Instead of buns, I also tried making a bread loaf with the same quantity and that has also turned out to be spongy. Do try this with your friends and family and I promise you that you will no longer have store-bought breads at your home again. This can be stored outside in an airtight container for about 2 to 3 days. Since it is quick and easy to make, bake them in small batches and enjoy. Here I've added some lettuce and paneer filling inside this bun. You can make filling of your choice. My kids really loved them. This can be had as a tea time snack or you may pack it in your tiffin. I hope you'll like this recipe. Do try and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.